One.
Welcome to Fairview living at its finest. This beautifully updated one-bedroom suite truly has it all. The home features a massive 575 square foot private sun deck and garden that feels like your very own backyard oasis. There's even a spacious shed for bikes, gardening, or extra storage. Wrapped in windows on all three sides, the suite feels so airy and bright. The home includes many thoughtful updates, including fresh flooring and an updated dishwasher. The list goes on. A huge bonus is the oversized bedroom, perfect for a king-size bed. My favorite part about this home has to be the location. We're so close to Granville Street, where all the best restaurants, cafes, shopping, and more are located.